Jerry has switched sides. Jerry has switched sides.
Damn it! You knew what I was doing.
Ow! Oh, that's so high. It's not high. It's so low. That's what I meant.
I'm not.
You're so stupid. That's so low. That's what I meant. Whoa!
Oh, he swept the leg. He swept the leg.
Sweep the leg.
I reversed the leg sweep into a figure four. Oh, I almost slapped you. Oh, this is such a terrible position.
I want on the record that Jerry's defending me.
Oh!
Oh my god.
I call this the soul crusher.
Oh man.
He tapped out.
Oh my.
Just beat the shit out of Lana.
Wait, please tell me you have that.
Squeeze the shit out.
Stop it.